Hey everyone, today we're comparing the Linux Mint and Kubuntu to help you decide which Linux distro is the best choice. Let's get started. So the Linux Mint, it is a free and open source OS designed for desktop and laptop users. It's known for its simplicity, stability, and performance, making it great for both beginners and experienced users looking for a Windows or Mac OS alternative. The Linux Mint overview is fast, easy to use, and it works out of the box. It focuses on privacy, customization, and community support, and it provides a low maintenance architecture. The reviews of the Linux Mint has mostly positive feedback for its speed, reliability, and ease of use, because some minor complaints include occasional software compatibility issues. The Linux Mint is a lightweight and fast even on older PC, stable and beginner friendly. However, it is slightly plain UI compared to other distros, and also it has a slower access to latest software update. Meanwhile, the Kubuntu is a user-friendly Linux OS combining the Ubuntu stability with the KDE Plasma desktop, focusing on a visually appealing and high customizable interface. The Kubuntu is slick and modern Plasma desktop environment, Dolphin file manager for easy access to USBs and SD cards, the Firefox pre-installed with the Chromium and Falcon available. The Kubuntu currently has no reviews on the Trustpilot, but it is widely recognized in the Linux community for its stability, polished KDE desktop, and customizability. The pros of the Kubuntu is highly customizable desktop environment, modern, polished look for KDE features, and it has a stable Ubuntu base with reliable performance. However, it is slightly heavier on system resources than Linux Mint, and it's also a less beginner focused compared to Mint. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.